Hello traders, in this video I would like to show you the most profitable and low risk strategy. The strategy implies positional intraday trading along the trend. Subscribe for Smart and Skilled International to become profitable trader. All this spot trading is based on the strategy that I would like to share with you. The situation implies searching for the strong mirror level where we can find an entry point from the strong support level along the trend, not against the trend. Always remember the simple rule: trend is your friend. We should find the situation where we have not only graphical support in form of strong support level, but in the form of a huge amount of limit orders under the price, like this. Moreover, here we have liquidity grab when the instrument makes a false breakout to grab stop losses of participants and load their positions. So here I enter along the core trend on 5 minutes time frame. As you see, before we have so many touches to that level as a resistance zone, then there was a breakout of this level, and then we saw the retest of this level with a false breakout, and now the price is rebounding from this level. Here we have the support in the form of huge amount of limit orders, and this is the ideal situation, ideal setup where we can trade along the trend. Moreover, here we have double bottom pattern formation that usually implies the reverse. Look at this, the situation is working out very good. Usually in such setups the take profit should be on the previous high refresh, and the stop loss should be somewhere here. But as far as we have profit already, we are moving stop loss in the green zone in break-even point. Look at this, the price almost has reached the target, and my stop loss was in profit. Next instrument was SCL, the same situation. From here I entered the position. Here we have many limit orders as a support that are pushing the price up. And look at this, here in the futures order book we see the huge participant that is moving by limit order under the spread. It's an automatic algorithm that shows us that there is a huge limit buyer who is loading the long position. He is placing limit orders under the price. Such limit orders are systematically being pushed under the spread to load the position. It shows us upward pushing power. Here we have huge resistance in points of control, and here we have long shadows that are showing us that here the seller power is gaining momentum. I decided to close position, so I managed to earn about $100 from these two trades. Use this strategy wisely. Don't forget to subscribe for our YouTube channel and Telegram channel with the link under this video. Stay in profit.